So look at that, we were able to fit a full bag and we got room, so we're gonna put more. Guys, I love these. All right, my friends, I absolutely love this and my wife is gonna love it when she gets home. Why hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are going to show you these 4-piece canisters. So flour, coffee, tea, and sugar. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys how it comes packaged and what everything looks like. So you got the lids on the top here, the main canister here. So the biggest canister is going to be for flour. It is metal. Let's go ahead and pull these out and see. The next big canister is going to be for sugar, and it does have an airtight ring around the top of the lids. Then we got the next one, which is going to be probably tea. So yes, the tea. So you got this white with a black lettering, black trim around the bottom, and white underneath it. As you guys can see, really nice setup, nice kit. And then you got coffee. I love the text of it as well. So each come with its own lid with black trim, white on the top with the handle. So you just slide it down in and it creates this airtight seal. So each one has a nice lid. Just like that. Alright guys, so as you can see, I used to keep my sugar in these jars and we had to use 3 different ones. Now we can actually use one, so that's going to be a very nice benefit. And we still got room for more sugar. Did I say salt before? I meant sugar. Alright, now we're going to put our coffee beans in our coffee canister. So look at that, we were able to fit a full bag and we got room, so we're going to put more. Guys, I love these. Alright my friends, so we don't have, we're out of tea and we're out of flour, so I got to stock up. But we got coffee and sugar all loaded up. Perfect position for our Keurig and our coffee setup here. We got these little bag teas, but not actual. Actually, you know what? We could have put those in the tea. So that's actually going to work out really good. Alright, my friends. I absolutely love this, and my wife is going to love it when she gets home.